All right, this is the 7.6 cubic foot Tipton model EFF 205FA fully automatic high energy centrifugal finishing system.
And let's go on in and again check out maybe the left side first along the front. We got the stainless steel chute coming down here, which is our part chute. None of our water's hooked up yet on the side. Drain is towards the back there by the bucket. And one water push button manual. Come around the front here, take a quick peek inside. This door's going to close on you, so watch out. Media bucket, we do have some media in there. And again, there's the stainless steel tray coming through there. Chain, it's all in nice shape. And of course our drive up on top in the barrel. I can do a couple things manually after you get done panning through here. Come over to the control panel. It's all good through there. And we don't have to do them all, but we can open the doors too at the same time. I'm just going to get a normal run, slow run. That's the 20% slow as we're dumping up on top. So manually we can do just about everything. Run the spinner, run it at slow speed, barrel rollover, run the bucket up and down. And we can do like 2 or 3 of them right now. Like here's normal run. You can hear it. You can't really see it. That's the full, well, whatever you can hear me change the pot speed here too. That's about 30% right here. We'll leave it there for our auto cycle. Shut that off. And then to bring it right back in on slow speed. That's about 12, in fact it's exactly 12 hertz. We got it set at 20% of full, which is what it's supposed to be. And media bucket up if you just want to pan over this way and open one of these doors and kind of peek in. I'll run it up a little bit here. Chain drive sounds pretty good. Backlash, it's all set pretty good. And run it back onto the switch so we can do an auto cycle. It'll stop on itself, by itself. That's happy. And then of course the separator. You can't really see it, but you can sure hear it because that's the whole vibrator motor taking off. And we'll shut that off. That's good to go. And we'll flip over to auto cycle now, and we'll start it from here, and maybe you can go around the back with the camera, because the first thing that happens is the drain not the drain, the water turns on for a few seconds, and then the bucket will come up. So we'll just switch over to auto right here. Separator still winding down. There it is, it finally stopped. Now we're on auto. I'm gonna hit auto start in a second. It'll take over on its own. Meanwhile, we can come around the side here, show the electric panel, frequency drive, couple of relays, and of course the PLC, all pretty much standard with our documentation. We do have schematics, and we've got one operator handbook in there, so we're good to go insofar as documentation is concerned. Come across to the right, we do have the cover off here, just to show the chain drive. I wanted to check a few things out, so it's still off to the wall here when you go to your right a little bit. Wash solution is over on the side. These couple lines will plug into the cover when we go on, and of course there's the barrel. So go on up, and when you get to the top, I'm going to hit auto cycle start. And first thing that'll happen is the water timer starts. So I'm going to hit it right now. Cycle start. Timer's on. We wait a few seconds, you can hear it clicking. The water timer's on, the pump is on. It goes for about, I think it's set for about 40 seconds. And then I lowered the process timer down to a minute. It should be hours. I'll probably forget to change the units back to hours, but easily changed. So after the timer's finished, we'll start load. The hopper will come up, we'll load.